Good morning students. Let me start today class. Today I am going to explain exercise 2.5 third question. See, find the first term and common difference of AP whose nth terms are given below. Okay, T nth term is given minus 3 plus 2n. Okay, so in earlier classes we have discussed about question itself is given A and D value, then we want to find the value of AP. Here nth term is given. So T nth term is given. Using this nth term, we want to find first term and common difference. Okay. So see solution for that. So first given Tn is equal to minus 3 plus 2n. Now instead of first term want to find means put n is equal to 1. So T1 is equal to minus 3 plus 2 times of 1. So minus 3 plus 2 ones are 2. So what you will get, minus 3 plus 2 go means minus 1. Okay, next instead of n you want to put 2. So n is equal to 2 means T2. Second term you will receive. So minus 3 plus 2 of 2. So minus 3 plus 2 2s are 4. So 4 3 is go means plus 1. Next put n is equal to 3. So T3 is equal to, okay, instead of n 3 you want to substitute. So minus 3 plus 2 times of 3. So you will receive minus 3 plus 2 3s are 6. 6 3 it's go means you will receive. So you will receive as a 3. So 6 minus 3 3. Okay. So like that it will go on. Or else put n is equal to 4 means T4 fourth term. So minus 3 plus 2 times of 4. Instead of n 4 want to substitute. So minus 3 plus 2 4s are 8. 8 3 go means 5. So like that it will go on. Okay. Therefore the APs are, okay, the given arithmetic progressions are, okay, using nth term we receive all the terms. So what is the first term is minus 1, second term is plus 1, third term is 3, fourth term is 5, so up to etc it will go on. Okay, then we got APs. Now question has to find what does that mean, whose first term and common difference want to find. For that, therefore here first term A is equal to, what is that here, first term we received minus 1. Then common difference we know already. What is the formula common difference? D is equal to second term you should subtract first term. So second term is 1 minus of first term is minus 1. This is formula minus. Okay. So that 1 plus 1. Okay, because minus into minus change into plus. So 1 plus 1 we will receive as a 2. So therefore common difference we receive as a 2, like that. So 3 minus 1 2, 5 minus 3 2. So we will receive the answer. Question nth term is given. Using nth term we received as a first term and common difference. Okay, that's all. See next fourth question. Find the 19th term of an AP. Okay. Yesterday itself I have explained this formula Tn. Tn formula want to use in this sum. Okay. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Using that formula we want to find 19th term. So in that AP it is given. There are 3 terms is given. Minus 11, minus 15, minus 19 up to etc. It will go on. In that 19th term of an AP is, what is that we want to find. Okay, so see solution. First given AP you should write, given APs are minus 11, minus 15, minus 19 up to etc. So here first want to find first term. First term A is equal to minus 11. Next common difference want to find. Common difference D is equal to second term minus first term. So minus 15 minus of minus 11. So what you will receive, minus 15 minus into minus plus 11. So minus 15 plus 11 it's go, we will receive minus 4. So common difference we received as a minus 4. Then therefore question asks to find 19th term. 19th term of an AP. So we know that nth term how we want to find, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, here n is equal to 19. Okay, T19. So n is equal to 19. A value we received, what is that, minus 11. So minus 11 plus substitute instead of n 19. 19 minus 1 of D is minus 4. D is minus 4. Okay. So you should substitute. Then next you simplify, you will receive the answer. Now this is equal to minus 11 plus, okay, first you should subtract 19 minus 1, 18. 18 you should subtract, 18 you should multiply with the minus 4. Okay, first you should subtract, then you should multiply with the minus 4. After that only you want to add with the minus 11. Okay, directly first you should not add this 2. It is wrong. First this 2 multiply, then add with the minus 11, then only you will get correct answer. Okay, so this is equal to minus 11. Here plus into minus, minus 18 fours are, you should multiply, means 72. Now both also minus, you should add and put same symbol, minus 83. Therefore T 19th term is, okay, T 19th term is minus 83. Okay, so 19th term of AP, T 19th term is minus 83 is the answer. Okay, that's all. So using Tn formula we received as the answer. Next is fifth question. Which term of an AP 16, 11, 6, 1 is minus 54? Which term of an AP is minus 54 we want to find. Okay, actually here first term T1, T2, T3, T4, then which term Tn is equal to minus 54. Which term of this AP is minus 54 we want to find. Then means n we want to find. Okay, so for that see solution. Given AP is 16, 11, 6, 1, up to etc. Okay, is minus 54. Here first you write first term. First term A is equal to 16. Common difference. Second term you should subtract with the first term. Common difference T2 minus T1. So 11 minus 16 you will receive as a minus 5. Okay. So D is equal to minus 5. Then here Tn. Here Tn is equal to, okay, T1, T2, T3 up to T4 up to etc. Tnth term is minus 54. So we know that Tn formula, using this formula we will find out n. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now instead of Tn you should substitute minus 54 is equal to A value is, what is that? A value is 16 plus n, we do not know, n minus 1, right, as it is. Instead of D minus 5. Okay, next step, minus 54 is equal to 16. Now this minus 5 is common for both also, n and 1. So multiply means minus 5 into n minus 5n. Next minus into minus plus 5. 1 into 5, 5. Okay, so plus 5. Now minus 54 is equal to 16 plus 5 you should add, means 21 minus 5n. Okay, next step, you should simplify this, you will receive the answer. Therefore you see here minus 5n this side comes, plus 5n is equal to 21 minus 54, that side go plus 54. Now 5n is equal to, you should add, means 75. Now n is equal to 75 by 5. 5 will go down. So therefore n is equal to, if 5 table you should cancel, means we will receive as a 15. Therefore T 15th term is, therefore 15th term of an AP is minus 54. So 15th term only, what is that? Minus 54. Okay, answer is 15. So n only want to find, so n is equal to 15. That's all. So see, in exercise 2.5 one more formula is there. What does that means? We know that APs are, okay, A plus D, A plus 2D up to etc. A plus n minus 1 into D. Yes, it will go on. So you consider as a term T1, T2, this is T3 up to etc. This is Tn. Yes, it will go on. So totally how many terms are there? Totally how many terms are there in AP? How want to find? Totally how many terms are there in that AP? How want to find? N. N, what is the formula? Okay. So how we want to find means we know that already N formula. Okay. See, we know that already Tn formula. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Yes. So you know this formula already. So here, suppose any one of the sequence is given, arithmetic sequence in that arithmetic progression or else arithmetic progression Tn, we know that. Okay. Suppose any one of the arithmetic series sequence, for example 2, 4, 8, then this is 100. Okay. So now want to find how many terms are there in that AP. How many terms are there? How want to find means here Tn considered as the last term. Okay. Tn is considered as the last term. So here Tn considered as the last term means, so in the question last term is given means L is equal to, okay, how this formula came, A plus N minus 1 into D. Whether last term is given means totally how many terms are there in that APN. How we want to find means N formula we will bring. Using this formula we will bring N. Okay. So instead of Tn you will want to substitute L. So L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now you expand this. So see, or else plus A, this side comes minus A. So L minus A is equal to N minus 1 into D. Yes, N minus 1 into D. We need N only, so D will come down. So L minus A divided by D is equal to N minus 1. We need N only means minus 1, this side comes plus 1. So plus 1 is equal to N. So what is the formula of N means? N is equal to L minus A divided by D plus 1. So using Tn formula, instead of Tn you use last term L means, so simplify, you will get the formula of N. Totally in AP how many terms are there means N formula directly we can use. So N is equal to L minus A divided by D plus 1. Okay. Using this formula easily we can find out N. Okay. So memorize this formula. N is equal to L minus A divided by D plus 1. So this, using this formula I am going to solve next problem. Okay. See next question. Find the middle terms of an AP 9, 15, 21, 27 up to etc. Last term is 183. Okay. In that AP middle terms. So plural. So two terms we will receive. Okay. Middle terms of an AP. Then means first we need N. Totally in this AP how many terms are there we want to find. Okay. So see solution. After finding N only we can get the middle terms. Okay. So you should write given AP is 9, 15, 21, 27, up to etc. 183. So you should write first term. First term. First term A is equal to 9. Common difference. Second term minus first term. T2 minus T1 is equal to 15 minus 9. You will receive as a 6. So common difference 6. Okay, and here it is given last term. Okay, here it is given last term is L is equal to 183. Okay, so before some I have explained, yes, Tn formula I used. So instead of this formula also we can use. What is that? We know that totally how many terms are there in AP? N is equal to L minus A divided by D plus 1. So before some, using this formula we will receive the answer, same answer only you will receive, or else you can try it. One or use that formula or else this we can use. N is equal to L minus A divided by D plus 1. So now you should substitute, these are the values. Now N only we want to find. N is equal to, L is what is there, 183 minus A is 9 whole divided by D is 6 plus 1. Now you should subtract, after that cancel with the 6. Okay, 183 you should subtract 9 means 174. 174 divided by 6 plus 1. So 174 divided by 6 means you will receive as a 29. 29 plus 1, you will receive as a n is equal to 30. Therefore, n you received as a 30. So totally how many terms are there in AP? Totally 30 terms. Okay. Here 30 is even number, means 2 middle terms you will receive. 2 middle terms. 2 middle terms. That is 30 by 2 into 30 plus 1 by 2. Okay. 30 plus 1 by 2. So see, sorry, 30. So 30 by 2, 30 by 2 plus 1. Okay, n by 2. Middle terms how? N by 2 into n by 2 plus 1. This is the formula. Okay, n by 2, comma n by 2 plus 1. Because n is even, means. Suppose n we received as a 29 means. Suppose 29 means odd number. Odd number means easily only one middle term you will receive. But here n is even number. So that, okay, here n is even, so that we will receive middle term. We will receive two middle terms. That is 30 by 2 and 30 by 2 plus 1 you want to add. Okay. So here n is equal to 30 is. Okay, that means this implies 30 by 2 15 and 16. 30 by 2 15. 15 plus 1 you should add, means 16. So therefore there are two middle terms. Therefore there are two middle terms of an AP, that is 15th and 16th. 15th and 16th. Okay, now we know that formula Tn is equal to, okay, we know that formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so now you should substitute first T15. So T15 is equal to A value already we received 9 plus 15 minus 1 into D we received as a 6. Okay, now 9 plus 15, 1 you should separate 14. 14 into 6. So 9 plus 14 6 are, you should multiply, means you will receive as a, okay, 84. So 84 plus 9 you should add, means 93. So 2 T15. So 15th term is 93. Then 16th term we want to find at the same formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T16 is equal to 9 plus, instead of n 16. 16 minus 1 into D. D value is 6. Okay. So 9 plus 16 minus 1 15. 15 into 6 you should multiply. So 9 plus 15 6 are 90. Okay, 15 6 are 90. So you should multiply, add means we will receive as a 99. So T16 is equal to 99. Therefore there are two middle terms. One is 93 and another one is 99. Okay, that's all. See, next question. If 9 times of 9th term is equal to 15 times 15th term, if this both will equal, then we want to show that 6 times of t 24th term is 0. 6 times of t 24th term is 0, we want to prove. Okay. So for that, see solution. According to given condition, you should change and write notation form. What is actually is given means 9 times of 19th term. So 9 of T19 is equal to, okay, 9 of T19 is equal to, okay, 9 of 9th term, sorry here 9th term, not 19, 9 of 9th term. 9 times of 9th term is equal to 15 times of 15th term, T15. Okay, 15 times of T15th term is equal. Then we want to show that 6 times of T24th term is 0. So this we want to show. Okay, 6 times of t24th term is 0 we want to show. Okay. So using this result, first we know that, what is that? Tn formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. So this formula you want to apply here. What is that? 9 of t9 is equal to 15 of t15. So now 9 instead of tn formula, a plus instead of n 9. So 9 minus 1 into d, close the bracket, like that. Right hand side 15 of a plus 15 minus 1 into d. Okay, close the bracket. Now 9 of a plus 8d. 9 minus 1, 8d. Okay. So this side 15. 15 of a plus 14d. Now this 9 is common for both also. Here 15 is common for both also. So you should multiply 9a plus 9 8s are 72. D is equal to 15 into a, 15a plus 15 14s are 210d. 15 14s are 210d. So see next step. So a one of the side, d one of the side. That means this side 9a plus 15a, this side comes minus 15a is equal to, already 210d is there, plus 72d, that side go minus 72d. Now 9a 15a go means, this is separate, means minus 6a is equal to 210, 72 you should separate, means, okay, we will receive as a 138. So we will receive 138d. 138d. So now we need only a. So a is equal to 138 divided by minus 6. Sorry, here plus. 138 divided by minus 6 into d. Therefore a is equal to this. You should cancel, means we will receive minus 23d. So a value now we received. A value is minus 23d. So using this condition, first condition, a value we brought. Then what we want to show? See, to show that what is that? 6 times of t24th term is 0 we want to show. So for that LHS side you choose 6 times of t24. So this equal to 6 times of Tn formula. What is that? A plus 24 minus 1 into d. Okay. So use this formula, Tn formula. Now instead of n 24. So 24 minus 1 into d. Now you should subtract in 6 of a plus 23d. Now this equal to 6 times of a value want to substitute. I'll keep, this is equation 1. Okay. So a value is, what is that? Minus 23d plus already 23d is a, that you should write. Close the bracket. Since I used by 1 I used. Okay, a value I used. So now plus 23d minus 23d will get cancelled. 0. So 6 into 0, 0. So this is equal to RHS. So LHS I took and RHS I received 0. Okay. So therefore C 6 times of t24th term is, what is that? 0. So this only we want to show. Therefore 6 times of t24th term is 0. Hence the proof. Hence proved, or else you can write hence proved. This only we want to prove. So we have proved this one. That's all.